Along with launching the Honor 5C smartphone, Huawei sub-brand has also launched its affordable tablet in the Indian market, dubbed as Honor T1 7.0. 7.0 represents its screen size, which is of 7 inches. And we have the device with us, so let's take a quick look at what it offers. Talking about the display, the 7-inch display bears a resolution of 1024 into 600 pixels. It's not a very high def resolution, and that's clear when you see the display. It's not as sharp as we would have liked it to be, and colors are also not as saturated. The Honor 7.0 is a very compact tablet, and that's the very nice thing about it, because even though it's a 7-inch tablet, you can clearly hold it with single hands, and obviously you have to use both hands for more operations, be it assessing the corners or typing or things like that. But what we also like about the device is its design. As you can see, it's aluminum metal body. It's very nice. It gives a premium feel to the user. Its thickness is also, in terms of design language, you can see it's fairly standard. This is a flap which hides the micro SD card slot along with the SIM card slot. It's a unibody design, and hence you won't be able to remove the battery. And these are antenna bands, since the Honor T1 7.0 also supports voice calling. Let's take a quick look at the UI. The Honor T1 7.0 offers Honor Emotion UI on top of Android KitKat. Yes, it's KitKat, which seems very odd in this day and age, considering it's very old. We are 2 generations ahead of Android KitKat, and in fact Android N is slated to come sooner than later. Powering the hardware on the Honor T1 7.0 is Spreadtrum 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, which is coupled with 1 GB of RAM, and as you can see, it's a decent hardware, but there's a little bit of processing time it takes while switching between tasks, and it doesn't feel as zippy as many other devices these days. For storage, you get 8 GB of memory, out of which around 4.3 GB is available to you, and of course you can expand it further with the use of a micro SD card. In terms of cameras, you get 2 megapixel camera at the back along with a 2 megapixel camera at the front, which is just sufficient for selfies or video calls. Let's take a quick look at the camera interface. It seems to be bare bones. It's a fixed focus camera, and shutter speed is decent. It's not very fast, but it's not too shabby either. What's interesting though is that you do get some useful filters such as Sepia, Nostalgia, Pure, but other than that the camera interface is very minimal. Juicing up the Honor T1 7.0 is a 4100 mAh battery, and that should ensure a good battery life. And the interesting thing is that it's a USB OTG capable device, which means that you can charge other devices with the Honor T1 7.0. Overall, the Honor T1 7.0 is quintessentially a budget tablet, but you do get a very good design, decent specifications, and voice calling, which is kind of important for budget tablet consumers. And all this at the price tag of rupees 6,999 makes it an exciting option. The device will go on sale on Flipkart and Honor's e-store, and the sale begins today itself. We'll bring you more on the device and Honor's smartphone, the 5C, over the coming few days. So stay tuned for that. This is Nitan signing off. Thanks for watching.